So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a faucet, a garbage disposal, and a brand new tubular trap and telescoping disposal kit, as well as an air gap and a brand new discharge hose. Starting at the back, you can see a brand new hot quarter turn valve. They're up kind of high in the cabinet, but you can see it right there, right there. And then, of course, a little 3/8 T that allows you to tie in the dishwasher. And then on top of that, you can see the little tag on the hot water supply line coming from the faucet. And so this is a quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Same thing on the cold side. Let's see if I get a picture over here. You can see quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and just the faucet tied in. There's no filtration down here, so just that faucet. So valves are replaced, and then supply lines are integrated into the faucet. It's a Moen, so those are tied in already. Our only point of connection is down here at the top. And then, of course, hose is installed, and you got the weight down here. It's a free-floating weight. This, and of course, the faucet, I'll show you that in a minute, that is supplied by the homeowner. There's your documentation right here, if you ever lose it. Moen, that's their phone number, that's the model number, and I recommend registering the product with Moen. That way when you call them, they'll know it's you and get you your replacement parts if you have problems with the faucet. Over to the garbage disposal, Moen, I think it's a half horse or a 1 horse, half horse garbage disposal, and this is provided by the homeowner as well. We put in the new mounting bracket up top, which comes with the disposal, and of course telescoping kit, tubular, all the way over to here, and then of course brand new basket strainer. They had one that came with the kit that they bought. It was all plastic, so we opted to put this one in. It's all metal construction, and then of course a little tailpiece, and then the telescoping kit, tubular P-trap, back to the adapter in the wall. So everything there looks good. And then of course in the back, I'm not going to try and take a picture. Let's see if we can get it from there. That's air gap. You can see up there, a little white device, and then 7/8 discharge hose, the black one, and the white hose, the 5/8 discharge hose from the dishwasher. Up top, you can see this is the faucet. Trying a little privacy here. So that's the faucet. It is the Moen Shea, and so everything's working good. We've tested this out. They have a little drainage problem going on right now. We have a drain cleaner coming out right now to take care of that. Outside of that, this installation is done. And still here in Clovis, California, second project we wanted to keep it separate from the sink is the cooktop. We kind of broke it up into projects. We're waiting for a tile to go in across the splash. Deck is in, cooktop's here. So we went ahead and took cooktop out of the packaging, got the regulator on there, so it's ready to go. We did replace the valve, shut the gas off to the home. We tested this with our little meter, and so it's green, everything's good. Our plumbing's good, so this isn't ours, that nipple, that 90, but we did test it anyways. It's a green is go, yellow, you need to look at it eventually. Red is stop if something's going wrong. Anyways, brand new shutoff valve, brand new connector. So this is already tightened on down right here. We gave you a temporary plug right here on the end for safety purposes. This is required, especially by PG&E. They come in, if it's not capped off, they won't turn your gas on. So this gas is back onto the home. We relit the water heater for them. This guy you can configure however you want. I mean, you can bend it down and back up, you know, if this doesn't quite meet it. But all it takes is remove this from the this flare, just unscrew this, take this whole assembly out, not just the cap, but the adapter too, and then tie it right into the cooktop. If you need us to help, give us a holler. We'll come out and take care of that for you. Outside of that, this installation is done.